Ever thought about building your dream house? Imagine designing every room, picking out cool furniture, and even adding a secret passage. Now, what if I told you that you could experience a similar thrill in the digital world? Just like an architect uses blueprints to design a house, software engineers use code to build amazing things. They are the masterminds behind the apps you use every day, the games you play, and the websites you visit. Think of code as the building blocks of the digital world. Each line of code is like a brick, and when put together, they create something functional and beautiful. Software engineers are like digital architects, carefully planning and constructing their projects. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore the world of software engineering. Whether you're interested in creating the next big app, designing a groundbreaking game, or developing a website, the possibilities are endless. Join us on this journey and discover how you can turn your digital dreams into reality. So what do software engineers actually do all day? You might picture them just sitting in front of computers typing away, but there's so much more to it than that. They take a cool idea and turn it into reality using code. It's a blend of creativity and technical skill. First, they figure out what people need, like a fun game or a helpful app. This involves brainstorming and understanding user needs. Then they plan it all out, kind of like drawing a blueprint for a house. This stage sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next comes the exciting part, writing the code. This is where ideas start to take shape in the digital world. Software engineers also test their creations to make sure everything works perfectly. This step is vital to ensure a smooth user experience. So, the next time you use an app or play a game, remember the incredible work that went into making it all possible. Just like every house needs a good architect, every piece of software needs a designer. These creative geniuses are responsible for how the software looks and feels. They're all about making things user-friendly and visually appealing. Imagine using an app with confusing buttons and a boring design. No thanks. Software designers make sure that using software is a breeze. They choose the colors, fonts, and layouts, making everything look sharp and easy to navigate. They're like the interior decorators of the digital world, making sure everything is both stylish and functional. Now let's meet the builders of the software world, the software developers. These are the creative minds and technical experts who transform ideas into functional, user-friendly software applications. They work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that the apps and programs we use daily run smoothly and efficiently. They're the ones who take the designer's vision and bring it to life using code. This process involves writing, testing, and maintaining the code that makes up software applications. It's a meticulous job that requires a deep understanding of programming languages and frameworks. Think of them as the construction workers who lay the bricks, build the walls, and put on the roof. Just like in construction, every line of code is a building block that contributes to the final product. Each piece must fit perfectly to create a stable and functional application. Developers are experts in different programming languages, which are like different tools for building different things. Some of the most common languages include JavaScript, Python, Java, and C++. Each language has its own strengths and is suited for different types of projects. Some languages are better for building websites, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages allow developers to create interactive and visually appealing web pages that users can easily navigate, while others are perfect for creating games. Languages like C# and C++ are often used in game development because they offer the performance and control needed to create complex, high-quality games. It's a challenging job that requires a lot of creativity and problem-solving skills. Developers must constantly think outside the box to find solutions to coding problems and to optimize their code for better performance. But it's also incredibly rewarding to see your code come to life in the form of a real, working program. The satisfaction of solving a complex problem or seeing a project through from start to finish is what drives many developers to continue honing their skills and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Section 5. Testing the structure quality assurance engineers. Imagine building a house where the doors don't close properly or the lights keep flickering. That would be a nightmare. That's why every construction project needs inspectors, and the same goes for software. That's where quality assurance, QA engineers come in. They're like the eagle-eyed inspectors who meticulously test every nook and cranny of the software. They make sure everything works as it should, from the tiniest buttons to the most complex features. QA engineers are the unsung heroes of software development, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for all users. Section 6. More than bricks and mortar. Different domains of software engineering. Just like there are different types of houses, apartments, bungalows, mansions, there are different areas within software engineering. Some people specialize in building mobile apps, while others create websites or develop complex systems for businesses. There are software engineers who focus on artificial intelligence, making computers smarter. Others work on cybersecurity, protecting our data from hackers. The possibilities are endless. This variety keeps things interesting and allows software engineers to work on projects they're passionate about. Section 7. Your daily dose of code. Software is everywhere. Software is everywhere. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, you're interacting with it constantly. Your smartphone, your video games, even your refrigerator, they all rely on software to function. Think about your favorite social media app. Software engineers built that. Or the latest video game with mind-blowing graphics. Yep, that's software engineering too. Software is changing the world around us, and software engineers are the ones making it happen. Section 8. Why software engineering rocks. So, why should anyone be excited about software engineering? Well, imagine a job where you get to be creative, solve problems, and build things that millions of people will use. That's software engineering in a nutshell. It's a field that's constantly evolving, meaning there's always something new to learn and explore. Plus, it's a global profession, offering opportunities to work with people from all over the world. And let's not forget, software engineers are in high demand, which means great job prospects and competitive salaries. Not bad, right? Section 9. Build your future. Software engineering as a career. If you're someone who enjoys problem solving, loves technology, and has a knack for creativity, then software engineering might just be the perfect career path for you. It's a challenging yet incredibly rewarding field that offers endless possibilities for growth and innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of coding. Get involved in tech communities and never stop learning. Who knows? You might just be the next tech superstar who builds the next big thing. The digital world awaits. Go build something amazing.